Welcome back to Speed Scout, where we bring you the latest and most exciting stories from the automotive world. Today, we're diving into the rebirth of a legend. The 2025 Citroën 2CV Retromod is back, and it's turning heads on both sides of the Atlantic. For decades, the Citroën 2CV has held a special place in car culture. Originally launched in the late 1940s, this iconic deux chevaux became famous for its quirky design, simplicity, and an ability to navigate the narrowest rural roads of France. Its charm wasn't just in its looks. It was a practical vehicle that captured the imagination of drivers across Europe. Now, with the 2025 Retromod, Citroën is breathing new life into this classic by blending its unmistakable design with modern engineering and power. So, what exactly does the Retromod bring to the table? First off, it stays true to its roots with the signature design cues that made the original 2CV a hit. From the curved fenders to the minimalist yet charming interior, this vehicle is a love letter to automotive history. But don't be fooled by its retro styling. Underneath the hood, there's a completely modern setup. The Retromod is equipped with a state-of-the-art engine that not only offers enhanced performance, but also improved fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. This modern powertrain ensures that while the car may look vintage, its performance is anything but outdated. Citroën's decision to reintroduce the 2CV as a Retromod taps into a growing trend that marries nostalgia with innovation. In today's automotive market, there's a clear appetite for vehicles that combine classic aesthetics with modern comforts and technology. This approach resonates especially well with audiences in the USA and Europe, regions where automotive heritage and contemporary performance both hold significant value. The 2025 Citroën 2CV Retromod doesn't just stop at performance enhancements. It also boasts updated safety features, advanced infotainment systems, and connectivity options that make every drive not only a nostalgic journey, but also a modern driving experience. Imagine cruising through scenic European countrysides or taking on winding American backroads in a car that is both a nod to history and a marvel of today's engineering. Moreover, the Retromod's launch is a statement of how classic design can evolve. It's a reminder that sometimes, preserving the past while integrating the future is the best way to appeal to a new generation of drivers. Car enthusiasts and collectors alike are excited by the idea of owning a piece of reimagined history. A vehicle that looks as timeless as the original 2CV but carries the heart of modern technology. In conclusion, the 2025 Citroën 2CV Retromod is not just a revival of a classic. It's a redefinition of what it means to blend heritage with innovation. It's a celebration of the past and a leap into the future, making it a perfect fit for the tastes of both American and European audiences. Thanks for joining us on this journey into automotive nostalgia with a modern twist. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the legendary 2CV's new life, hit that like button, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Drive safe, and see you on the next adventure here on Speed Scout.